I take Dopa Balance and I take ZenBiome Cope. They have made me feel so much better in the morning. My ability to produce dopamine has been diminished by taking Adderall for so long, and taking these supplements has filled that gap in my
What sort of a
nutrition, I think.
feeling do you notice?
For all those years, I would wake up between 3:30 and 4:30 to take Adderall in the morning to kind
Oh,
of jolt me out of bed. And now instead of that, I take Dopa Balance and I take the ZenBiome Cope supplements at that time. Of course, it doesn't feel exactly the same, but it's fulfilling the same need as far as just helping me feel better in the morning and helping me want to have energy and get out of bed in the morning.
ugh, and so you're still taking them at, like, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, or are you sleeping in?
No, I've been sleeping well, I mean, and another thing is I couldn't sleep through the night for a long time. It's almost like I trained my body to wake up at those times. But now I'm able to sleep through the night. My body doesn't wake me up between 3:30 and 4:30 every day. You know, if I wake up naturally at 5:30 or 6, which is a much healthier time to wake up.
Yes, you're getting restorative sleep now, you're not dealing with
Right,
insomnia, waking up in the middle of the
right,
night.
right.
Amazing.
If you're enjoying the content that you're seeing and you want to learn more about the products, head over to mymdshop.com and make sure you subscribe to this channel.